What's going on, fam? Monty tuning in. I know I shaved the beard, whatever. I'm looking crazy. Anyway, yeah, the corporate world makes me do this. Anyway. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to free yourself and how to remove yourself from the chains and shackles of your employer. I spend the time making these videos because I want to show you guys how to be free, man. So the least you could do is double tap support. And let me tell you guys the 3-step method to making money on TikTok while the app is still here. So what you're going to do to make money on TikTok is it's a 3-step process. Step 1 is you're going to go to aliexpress.com and you're going to find a product that is selling hot or a product you have faith in. But personally, I would just go with a product that's already selling high, like something that has on the website it says 5,000 plus sold. Go for something that says 10,000 plus sold. All right, it'll tell you like how many people are, or how many units the product is selling. So step 1, go on AliExpress, find a product. Now, personally, I sell women's clothing. That's what's working for me. Like I literally, and you're gonna have to test it. So I put up one product on my TikTok shop, and I got the product for $4.29. I think it was like $5.90 after shipping. And I'm selling that product on my store for about $24. I had someone buy 2 of them. Okay? I had someone buy 2 of them in literally the same exact day that I posted to my store. So I said, okay, I just posted this and I'm paying $4 and I'm making $20 profit per item. So what am I going to do? This product works, right? I posted on my TikTok shop. So I guess that's kind of like step 1.5 or step 2. Step 2 is once you find the product, post on your TikTok shop. Okay. So I posted to my TikTok shop, and it's easy to get set up on TikTok shop. It's free. I posted to my shop, same day sale. Boom. All right, bet. So I know that this product works. I know that my title looks good. I know that my images look good. If it's selling, it works. Now you're going to want to upload about 30 products to your store because, it's a numbers game. So you want to find a product that works. So like I said, women's clothing is what works for me. I think you guys should do that too. And, I've tried women's hair, fake nails. I tried all that stuff, you know me. But women's clothing works. So find something in there. Next, step 2, put on the shop. Once you get a sale, it's a great product. And you're making a good profit, it's a great product. Step 3, find a creator. Now, TikTok is amazing for this very reason. TikTok will tell you, or TikTok has its own creator portal where you can find creators, see how much the creators are making in the last 30 days. So I found they have mad creators. There's mad people making money on that app. I found 2 girls. One is making like $5,700 in the last 30 days. Spanish girl. They be making that guap on TikTok. Spanish girls, don't be asleep. But anyway, it tells you everything. So I found 2 girls to promote my stuff. Now that I have my 2 girls to promote my product, I send it to them. I'm only paying $4 to send it to them. Everything is free. So I sent it to 1 girl, boom, $4. I actually sent them 2 samples because I want them to feel spoiled if you do business with me, I'm taking care of you. So I sent them 2 samples. Now they're going to promote and make 30 videos. 10, I really told them 15, but we're going to get into 30, but we're going to make 15 videos in the next month. We call these deliverables in business. 15 videos in the next month promoting my product. At the very least, I'm going to get a return on investment. But I plan to make a lot more. And that is essentially how to use TikTok to get rich in 2024. You find a product, you get a sale on that product, and then you send that product to creators to market your product. Okay, guys, so that is the 3-step method right there to free yourself. In the last week, I made over $200, just about right over $200 from the TikTok shop. And, you know, I've been selling men's gym shorts, and I've been selling seamless bra for women. So that's my product size. And again, I'm teaching you guys this stuff because I've suffered a lot as a man, and I don't want you guys to have to suffer the same way that I suffered. So I'm helping you guys to free yourself in this world, man. You got to get away from it. You got to be able to, you know, just be independent. So with that being said, fam, peace out. I hope y'all found value in this video. In the next video, we're going to be talking about something even more interesting. So stay tuned. Drop a sub if you're new. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out, fam. Monty signing out.